Hi guys, it's me, Angela, and today we're going to play with the magnet balls. So, we cut 4 pieces with a card. Can you see? Oh, and if it sticks, it's really hard to take off. But it's not for me because I get used to it, and I brought this tomorrow from China. We just keep on going, and we do a little shaky like this. Ta-da! And on the other one too. When you get two like this, you do the same thing on the other one, like this. Like when you do that like this. So we just keep on going until we're done. And when it comes like this, you do the same thing on it. Good. And when it gets like this, and the other one like the other shape, you have to do it like then we take off. And if it gets like a bracelet and squashed, you just do it all over again. So mine got squashed. But do you know guys what to do? Comment below in the comments. You just do it over again. Guys, this is super hard. So when you buy it, just keep on going. Don't get mad. I got mad when I brought this. When I got this from China. Because it delivered to me. It had to deliver to me on February end. It didn't deliver it on It came tomorrow on March 20. So guys, we're done. If you get all of it like this, you just squash it together. Guys, be careful when it's like this and you squish it together because it can get smushed like mine. Oh my god, this is super hard guys. When I did it, it was a little hard too. But you will get the hang of it. Because I did it over and over and over again. Until I got this new one. I showed you how to cut it and build it. So, do you want to end the vlog? Comment below because I'm ending it now. Bye guys!